Hi guys! Today we're making a miniature cheeseburger and fries basket. Enjoy! To make the basket, bake a small piece of scrap clay in a shape like this for the inside of the basket and cover it with tin foil. Roll out some red clay and cut small strips and place across the top. Gently cut away the overlapping on the middle and add some liquid clay before adding a circle for the bottom. Cut away any excess and add small pieces in between the strips to make the pattern. Apply liquid clay to the outside of the basket for strength and add a strip around the edge for trim. Bake it for 10 minutes. Onto the burger, roll out a bowl of dough color for the bun and flatten it. Add texture with a toothbrush. Apply chalk pastel for color. Dab on some liquid clay for a top bun and stick tiny balls of light clay for seeds. Add texture to the inside of the bun with a needle tool. Flatten a ball of brown for the meat and add texture with a dotting and needle tool. Roll out some yellow for the cheese and cut a square. Stack the burger in the basket on some baking paper. I mixed acrylic paint and liquid clay for ketchup and used some cucumber slices from my previous video, link in the info box. Roll out some light clay for the fries and cut small stick shapes. Brush on pastels for cutter and use tinfoil to add texture. Arrange the fries in the basket. Bake everything completely and add glaze, and the project is complete. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Hit the button if you did, and subscribe for more. Bye!